In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create and use named functions in Google Sheets. Named functions let you take a formula you use again and again and turn it into a custom function with a clear name. This makes your sheets easier to read, easier to maintain, and less prone to formula mistakes. Start by opening your Google Sheet. In the top menu, click Data, then select Named Functions. This opens a panel on the right side where you can manage everything related to named functions. At the bottom of that sidebar, click Add New Function. Now you will define the function. First, enter a function name. Use a unique name in uppercase, with no spaces. Also, make sure it is not the same as an existing built-in function name. For this example, type %_change. Next, add a short function description. This is what you and others will see in tooltips, so keep it clear and specific, like calculating %change from an old value to a new value. Now set up your argument placeholders. These are the inputs your function will expect. Enter names such as old_value and new_value. Use names that clearly match the meaning of the numbers you will pass in. Clear argument names make the function much easier to use later. After that, define the formula itself. In the formula box, type the underlying calculation, replacing cell references with your placeholders. For %change, enter new_value minus old_value, old_value. Take your time here because this definition is what will run every time you call the function. When you are ready, click Next. This screen lets you add optional details like argument explanations and examples. If you want to make the function easier for others to understand, add a bit more guidance here. Then click Next again and click Create to save your named function. To use it in the same spreadsheet, click into any cell where you want the result. Type an equals sign, then begin typing your function name, %_change. Google Sheets should auto-complete it as you type. Select it, then provide your inputs in parentheses, like %_change, A2, B2, where A2 is the old value and B2 is the new value. Press Enter to run it. And that covers everything you need to know.